Alright, what is going on YouTube? I hope you guys are all having a great day today. So I just got done working out and a special delivery came and I'm pretty excited about this one. This is a pretty big one. Let me go ahead and show you guys what it is. Boom! Alright guys, here we have the Treadstone TR8L front mount intercooler for the MK7 GTI. This is the JD Eurosports kit. So it has the pipes and then uses these brackets right here. Here you label them, driver side, passenger side. Let's go ahead and open this up. Took out all the clamps and everything, inspected it, that's why it's like this. But it came packaged very nicely. There's the couplers right there. And then it has all the Treadstone T-clamps. This intercooler is good for up to 575 horsepower, 1.5 psi lower pressure drop. So this thing is more than enough for me right now. So it's going to be performing really well in the car, help me lower the IATs and just better overall performance for the car. So really excited about that, guys. Now I know for a fact I just installed the ECS high flow charge pipes on the car. I'll go ahead and put some pictures and shit up here, but this is the turbo outlet side pipe and you can see how it's pretty long back there. The ECS one will probably come up to like right here. That's already existing on the car, so probably gonna have to line it up, cut this off, and then give it a bead around there so this coupler can sit on there secure and not slide off, because I've been having some issues. Hoses popped off on me twice for the ECS charge pipes. Took me a while to figure it out, but I just tightened everything up real good. You gotta make sure those motherfuckers are real tight, and then didn't have an issue since. So yeah, gonna have to do some custom work there, but these pipes look good, nice welds. You can see it's definitely a nice looking piece. It's pretty thick. Definitely a nice Treadstone kit. Take a look inside here. So yeah guys, that pretty much wraps it up for this video. I just wanted to give you a little update on the intercooler. I've been waiting for this thing for a whole month to come in, and it finally came in. It sucks to wait that long, but as long as the product doesn't come damaged, everything looks good. That's all that really matters at the end of the day. So yeah, we have a nice front mount intercooler about to go in the car, help lower the IATs. Just the car's gonna perform better, especially in the summer heat, man. The car just heat soaks after a couple pulls, you know what I mean? And so guys, that pretty much wraps it up for this video. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more GTI and car content, and I will catch you guys in the next video.